Hello guys, my name is Lego Bricks, and in today's episode we are going to build a helicopter and an ambulance. But before I start, I think I have to do a little bit of cleanup work in this room because it's a giant mess and I can't build in a room like this. So after I clean up all of this, we will start building the new creations. So I finished the cleanup, but I left one box here, the small parts, because I always need them, so I didn't clean them up because they are going to be useful for this project as well. First I think I'm going to make the ambulance, make a color scheme that actually works and looks good to my eye. Then make the helicopter in that same color scheme so they look nice next to each other. So guys, 20 minutes in and this is how it looks right now. In my opinion it's quite good. I want this to look like a Mercedes truck, so I hope that it looks like that. And the back section is going to be wider, it's going to be 8 studs wide, not 7 studs wide as this front section. So wish me good luck on that, and let's continue building. So this is the finished result, and it looks like what I wanted to create. It's quite a big truck. It's bigger than this minibus, and it's not actually not a truck, it's a van. So it's a big van. You can roll it if you want. The doors are openable in the front. I haven't put seats inside this, but that's the usual. And these back doors are openable as well, and this space is empty because I don't want to waste space, not space, I don't want to waste pieces. I will put a minifigure there and a doctor minifigure or something there, but now I'm going to leave it as it is. So next to the van, this is how it looks. I'm really happy with the front. I really like this the lights. I think that they are something unique and special, and I have never seen that piece used like that, but I guess someone will use it like that because it's quite a common piece and it's a good way to use it. So this section is built using a stud building technique, so it gives it a nice curve. But this ambulance is really simple. It only has simple building techniques. It's a front with a box in the back. It's really simple, so it's realistic. An ambulance is simple in real life, but it's really simple. It's kinda too simple after more complicated projects. But let's start the helicopter.
A man has fallen into the river in Lego City. Start the new rescue helicopter. Hey, build the helicopter.
So, hello guys. I finished building the helicopter and I think it turned out really nicely. I used a lot of different building techniques at the front and at the back as well. So this is too big, so if I put it next to the ambulance you can probably see that it's way bigger than that. This took me 1 day to build, and when I say 1 day I don't mean one afternoon, one whole day of me building this, and I'm really happy with the final result. It's quite a solid model, so it won't break in your hand. It has openable doors, has one here. The interior is empty as always, and it has another door at the back which can be opened as well to reveal the interior that has nothing in it, but I will fix that. So both of the rotors can rotate, and it's probably not the most realistic thing, because I think that a helicopter has this or this, but not the two together. But I really like this, and I also really like the this, so I put both of them here. So this landing pad uses these mixer joints and these normal hinges, and the helicopter can do this, can dance, and that's quite funny, but it's really strong, so it won't break, but it can dance. I think that's quite funny. So I took off these tiles here because I needed them for this, and I want to make these two studs shorter because it's too long. So let's start. So guys, I cleaned up the table as you can see, and now this room is really clean. This was the fourth episode of the building vehicles for my Lego City series, so I want to make the fifth one longer. I want to build 4 cars in the next video, so I will have 10 cars built. So wish me good luck on that, but no, let's put everything in on this table and have a size comparison, as I always do at the end of the video. This thing has some really interesting building techniques going on. The first half of it, the cabin, is 7 studs wide, and the back is 8 studs wide. It has double wheels in the back and single wheels in the front. It has these really interesting lights, mirrors, and that's it. It also has sirens at the top. So the rescue helicopter, which is the big thing on this episode, is quite big. It uses some really interesting building techniques. Snot in the front. It has a lot of different angles. You can probably see that. It has openable doors. It has one door in this side that can be opened, and the victims can be put inside this, and you can do the same thing at the back, and you can make this flat or not flat, so it looks better when it's folded up. And some snot building techniques right here as well, and the 2 rotors can rotate. This thing barely even fits on my shelf. It's as tall as the shelf, so yeah, I'm really happy with both of these vehicles, because this is a van, this is a helicopter. So my city still doesn't have a normal car, so all of these are something special. In the next video I want to build some smaller cars, not necessarily normal cars, but smaller cars. So I think I will make one normal car, but most of them are going to be small special cars. So I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please like it. If you haven't subscribed yet, do it, so you won't miss out on any future content, and keep on building as always.